Artificial insemination technique has proven very advantageous for hybridizing or mating the animals. In this process, we collect the semen and select a very high quality of female and introduce into them. When not in use, it can be stored and frozen and stored, and whenever required it can be transported to whichever place we require it, based on that the storage procedure is right. Now, what is the most important advantage? We can find one animal of the choice and collect the semen and transport the semen to the right animal, which is a female animal. And the procedures of natural mating in these animals are very very bad, very disadvantageous. So, in artificial method it becomes very helpful. Along with artificial insemination, MOET is also followed. What is MOET? MOET is multiple ovulation and embryo transfer. Now, the good aspect of any male animal is it produces a large number of sperms, but in case of females it produces generally one ova. So, what we have to do is we will be stimulating follicle stimulating hormone, which will increase the number of ova production. Once the ova production is increased, say from 6 to 8 follicles are being produced, 6 to 8 eggs. To this 6 to 8 eggs, all of them are being fused or fertilized. Once it is being fused or fertilized, the zygote, now we have 8 zygote in hand, 8 zygotes can be shifted to surrogate mothers. So, surrogate animals can be used, which is not of great quality, and we do not require the gametes coming from them. We could use for growing or the gestation period. Again, our animal is ready for follicle stimulating. So, we can every month start inducing follicle stimulating hormone and get 8 ovas in one shot, so that the population can be increased of these animals in a very short period. So, both the questions can come for 1 mark or 2 mark each, and very important question these are.